So today we're working on my 2009 Chevy Suburban. We're getting ready to change the transmission body valve. That's my fault underneath. We gotta remove the oil pan. All tins right around it. Transmission pan. My bad. But yes, we gotta remove all that. With a 10. So let's get to it. Okay, so we got the transmission pan off, but we can't get it out right now because that little clip back there thing, whatever it is blocking us from taking the pan. Oh, we have to remove the transmission mount.
Yeah.
So we could jack it up and we have clearance to take it off from there. So, in there. The motor transmission mount's on here. Those two bolts, that's what we're going to call them. And once you do that, you could jack it up. So remove the transmission pan. Right here is the thing we gotta replace. And it was kind of hard. We had to jack it up. Jack it up like that. Loosen it up, and for some reason, that little piece right where that is was blocking me for some reason. So we had to like wiggle it out, move up and down, and we got it out. And that's it. Now we gotta take this out and go get a new one. Okay, so we got it out. That's what it looks like from the bottom. And the piece is right there. My father got it. We'll go see it now. But yeah, it's showing you we got it out. Okay, this is the body valve. Now we gotta get a new one. And hopefully we don't have to reprogram it.
I hope it comes with these.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm dead. But yeah, that's it. Okay, so we finally found this piece. What's this part called again?
The module.
The module. It was really hard to find. We bought this piece by an accident because we thought it came with it last time, so we returned it. And we found this one. We got this piece. So that's why it took us so long to install it. This is the third day, I believe. And the truck is still there. So now we just gotta put this on there, then connect it up. Okay, so we got it installed. My father, Walter. And that's it. Now we're tightening it up. We gotta jack it up a little bit. They put the oil pan, transmission pan, sorry, and add our fluids. Stay tuned. Okay, so we put the new filter in. Now we put the gasket on here, and then we just gotta put it up and try to get it programmed. Okay, so we got this on. It was pretty hard to get it on. We have to like lightly tap with our hands to push it in. And now we got our gasket in there too. We only put two, one on this side and one on the other side for now. And now we're gonna get ready to tighten them all in. Hope it don't leak. Okay, so it's all done. Put the thing, it's all tightened. All we gotta do now is just add the transmission fluid and see for any leaks. That's it. So let's get to it. Okay, so we got it started. Checking for any leaks. I don't see any leaks. So I think we might be good report. There's 3 quarts in there for now. And so far I think we're good. We'll see you in a few minutes. Yeah. Checking it. I think another 2 more quarts. Let's started. And yeah, no leaks, so I think we're good. Now we just gotta see if it goes in gear, so keep you guys updated if it goes in gear. Okay, first attempt going in gear. Oh, we're in, we're rolling. We're rolling. Shit, we are good. It's moving. No oil on the floor either. We are in. Okay, I think we're good. So right now we're taking for a test drive. Yep, I think we're good. How's it feel? I don't know what that was, but
What the hell that was?
it was nothing. So if anything happens, I'll keep you guys updated. Update, we made it back home. So everything's good. Are you checking the 4-wheel drive now?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, we got good brakes.